I'm Brenda from the Avant Garden Shop. Welcome to another episode of The Garden Gate. Wanted to show you a few of the tools that we had here for all your gardening needs this summer, because it makes the job a lot easier if you have really good tools. We carry the Felco pruners, which are really great Swiss-made pruners, really super quality. You can sharpen them. You don't have to throw them out if they get rusty because you can clean them up really well. They even offer parts, but to be honest, about the only thing we've ever had to replace are springs. Everything else is really super quality. The Garden Bandit is another tool. We've been selling this one since we opened, so 23 years pretty much. I've sold thousands of these. It's Canadian made. It's meant for weeding in the garden, so you just sort of scuffle over top of the weed, take it out at the root. Fabulous tool. Stainless steel so it doesn't rust. Really nice tool. We have a lot of different gloves. These ones are nice with a little bit of a rubber backing, and they're nice and snug, so it makes it really easy to be able to grab those weeds and pull them out. We've got some really gorgeous stainless tools. This is a trowel, nice wooden handle, so just a little higher quality than what you'll find at the box stores. It's got the measurements on it. We also sell these heat guards, which are really nice. We have them for people and for animals. You put them in water, for dogs. You put them in water for a few minutes and it soaks up the moisture, and then for a few days it actually stays really cool. So we have all kinds of things to help you get all your gardening done this summer. Come on in and we'll show you all the wonderful stuff we have. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you next time on The Garden Gate.
The Garden Gate is brought to you by the Avant Garden Shop, your destination for garden accessories and backyard birding supplies. Sherbrooke Street, downtown Peterborough.